Hi, today I'm unboxing my new Luminex II that I just got from Stenograph. I'm excited to open it up and see what it looks like. So here goes. I'm going to try to do this with one hand on the camera and one hand opening up the box. So the bag is black this time, not gray or blue. Now I chose all black, so let's see what it looks like. Super light. So here's the new Luminex II with the matte finish, all black, less fingerprints. Pretty light, weighs about 3.5 pounds. Super thin. Here's the back with the plugs, the new USB-C, so you'll have less problems plugging it in and connection issues that they had with the other micro USB. And it comes with the microphone now, so you can just attach it. No batteries on the microphone. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. There we go, Luminex II. The screen looks bright, kind of like an iPad. Let's start writing stuff. I'm going to set it to the lowest stroke because that's what I usually like to write on. Wow, the stroke is really low. I can't see if you can see it, but it's practically nothing. There's also a little release bar here that lets it change the tension that I was kind of curious to try. And that makes it even a tighter type. So it's really hardly anything on the lowest setting. The tension toggle is what that's called. The screen is also just one piece of glass, and you can scroll and pinch and zoom, which is pretty cool. So just a couple improvements to mention. They added a rubber edge around the screen, so when you close your screen, the keys don't hit the screen. And also they improved the hinge so it doesn't make a squeaking sound when you open and close it, and it feels a lot smoother. New stand for the Luminex II, and it's a little taller, not tall enough to stand with, but if you like to have your machine up high and maybe tilt it a certain way, this helps. Otherwise it's pretty much the same stand, just a little higher. Here's a side-by-side between the Luminex II and the Diamante that I had before. Not quite half the size, but a lot lighter. Probably like a pound and a half lighter. Here's the screen on the Diamante. A lot quieter to open. And so much lighter. There you go. Non-touch screen, touch screen. Well, there you have it. I can't wait to try it out, and maybe I'll let you guys know how it works out later. Okay, so I was able to test out my writer today. Setup was pretty easy. I was able to hook into the existing Bluetooth that I had previously with my Diamante. This one has built-in Bluetooth, so you don't need an attachment. The microphone works really well, picks up voices loudly and clearly. You can hear a little bit of the typing, but it wasn't an issue. Overall, I love the writer. The shallower stroke, I think it's gonna help me improve my speed since I'm in a really busy courtroom. I wouldn't say it's a huge difference from my Diamante to the Luminex II, but with the shallower strokes and all the improvements they made, and it looks a lot nicer, I highly recommend it. So if you have any questions, post down below, but otherwise, thank you for watching.